12 Easy Ways to Get More Followers on Instagram Without Posting. Struggling to grow your Instagram following without the pressure of constant posting? Discover how to get more followers on Instagram without the grind of regular posts through proven strategies that can enhance your presence organically. Gain Instagram followers without posting. It might sound surprising, but you can significantly increase your follower count without sharing new posts every single day. Let's delve into simple yet effective tips that can boost your Instagram growth. Understand your target audience. Knowing your target audience is crucial. Familiarize yourself with their demographics, including age, gender, and location. By understanding who your audience is, you can create a compelling profile that resonates with them, making them more likely to follow you. Engage with users who fit your target demographic by commenting on their posts and articles. This engagement shows you're interested in their content, which can entice them to check out your profile and eventually follow you. Optimize your Instagram profile. Your Instagram profile is your first impression, so it has to be attractive. To gain followers without daily posting, focus on making your profile inviting. Start with a clear profile picture that represents you or your brand. Craft a compelling bio filled with relevant keywords related to your content, making it easy for people to discover you. Enhance it by adding bio links to your website or important pages, and include a strong call to action encouraging visitors to follow you. Interact with other posts consistently. Engagement is key on Instagram. Like posts, reply to comments, and reach out through direct messages. When you actively engage with others, it encourages them to reciprocate, resulting in more followers coming your way. Being active by interacting with others' content demonstrates your interest in the community, which can lead more users to notice and follow you. Join ongoing discussions and pin comments on trending posts to showcase your engagement value. Leverage Instagram Stories. Instagram Stories are a fantastic tool for increased interaction without the need for traditional posts. Share behind-the-scenes content, quick polls, and questions to engage your audience. This can drive up interaction rates and spark interest in your profile. Use hashtags wisely. Incorporate relevant hashtags in your comments and interactions to broaden your reach. Using trending and niche hashtags can attract users searching for that content, helping you connect with potential followers. Collaborate with others. Consider collaborating with influencers or other users who share a similar target audience. This can amplify your exposure and introduce your profile to a whole new audience, increasing your followers without requiring regular posting. Promote user-generated content. Encourage your followers to create content related to your brand. Sharing user-generated content on your profile not only creates a sense of community but also showcases authenticity, making your profile more attractive to potential followers. Host giveaways. Host engaging giveaways encouraging participants to follow your account. This strategy can create buzz around your profile and draw in new followers eager for potential rewards. Participate in trends and challenges. Stay current by joining in on Instagram trends and challenges. Engaging with popular trends helps increase visibility and reach a wider audience without the need for constant posting. Want to learn more? Subscribe our YouTube channel.